Good morning, students. Welcome to you all to our class 8 English class. Today, we in this class will read from your English book Stories Past and Present. The chapter is The Thief and the Tiger. So now I am going to ask you some questions. You see, man rides elephants, horses, etc. But do you ever see man rides lion or tigers or bears? So what do you see in this picture? Look at the picture. Look at the picture. Here is a man rides a tiger. Here is a man rides a tiger. See, a man is riding a tiger. A man is riding a tiger. So, is it possible? Let's read the story and see how a man is riding a tiger. See how a man is riding a tiger. So, now I am going to read SGP 1. Once there was a king. The king was famous for his strong and swift horses. He kept all the best horses in his stable. Stable, do you know stable? Stable, Ghodasala. Ghodasala, where horses are kept. Ghodasala. Stable. So, strong and swift. What do you mean swift? Swift means Allah. क्षिप्र गतिरे जाउथिबा बा धाउथिबा. Swift horses. He kept all the best horses in the stable. One day a thief wanted to steal a horse. Steal? What do you mean steal? Steal माने ना चोरी करिबा. चोरी करिबा. He wants to steal a horse. A tiger came to know about the thief's plan. He thought of eating the thief's flesh. Flesh, manso. Flesh manala manso. The tiger wants to kill the thief's flesh. So, that night the tiger came to the king's stable and hid in a safe place. Hide it is hid. Hide, through hid. From hide it is hid. Hid means Allah. लुचि रहिला. लुचि रहिला. In a surplus निरापद स्थान, he stood silently with the horses. As if it was one of the horses in the stable. After some time, the thief got into the stable. It was dark inside. He touched the back of each horse to select the best one. At last, the thief touched the tiger's back. He thought it to be the best horse. He brought the tiger out of the stable. Then he put a bridle on the tiger's mouth. Bridle. लगामो. जो घोड़ा मोहर जो लगामो दिया है. So bridle on the tiger's mouth and rode on it. From right it's road. Right चढ़ीबा. रोड माने चढ़ीला. रोड चढ़ीला. तापर चढ़ीगला घोड़ा ऊपर. After some time the thief got into the stable. It was dark inside. So he touched the back of each horse to select the best one. At last the thief touched the tiger's back. He thought it to be the best horse. He brought the tiger out of the stable. Then he put a bridle on the tiger's mouth and rode on it. The tiger did not have such an experience before. Experience, abhigata. EXPERIENCE. Experience अर्थ है अभिज्ञता. I have got the experience to teach English. मोर इंग्रजी पढ़िया पे अभिज्ञता अछि. This is experience. He thought the thief was very powerful. It became terribly afraid of the thief. Terribly. TRIBILY. Terribly. Terribly माने भयंकर भाव. बहुत बेसी, खूब बेसी. भयंकर ভাবরে বা খুব বেশি बहुत बेसी से भय कला क्या भय कला थिप को he thought the thief to be more and more powerful, so he started running with great speed. The thief did not have such an experience before. He thought he had selected the best horse. He did not imagine that he was riding a tiger. Imagine, IMAGIN, imagine, kalpana kariba. Kalpana kariba. He did not imagine that he rode a tiger because he could not see anything in the dark. This is about SCP-1. I am going to tell you in Oriya so that you can understand better. So, जन राजा थिले तांकर बहुत गुड़ाए भल घोड़ा जो मैंने खूब शीघ्र दौड़ी पारुथिले से भाया घोड़ा रखिथिले एवं गोटे घोड़ा शाला बेस्ट हॉर्सेस गुड़ाक बाछि बाछि सिलेक्ट करके से रखिथिले। दिने जने चोर से घोड़ा मान को चोरी करने से घोड़ा मान भर गोटे घोड़ा भल घोड़ाटे चोरी करने चिंता कला। जो गोटे बाघ ए चोर योजनाटा प्लानटा जानी पारा से बाघ चिंता कला किंतु भाव से घोड़ा शाला को पशिक ए चोरटा को खाइब ता मांस खाइब। सो दैट नाइट द टाइगर केम टू द किंग्स टेबल। से दिन राति रे बाघ से घोड़ा शाला को आसिला इन सेफ प्लेस गोटे निरापद स्थान लुचिक रहा। स्टूड साइलेंटली विथ द हॉर्सेस घोड़ा मान भीतर से तुनी होकरी छिड़ा है सत्य जमी अच्छी इट वाज वन ऑफ द हॉर्सेस इन द स्टेबल गोटे घोड़ा भाया। किसी समय पर आफ्टर द थीफ गॉट इनटू द स्टेबल चोर घोड़ाशाला भीतर पशिला पूरा अंधकार होता डार्क। ही टच द बैक ऑफ ईच हॉर्स टू सिलेक्ट द बेस्ट वन। सबू घोड़ा मान बेक को छि 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 गला भल घोड़ा बाछिबा पई जेतेबेले बाघ पिठे हाथ मारला चिंता कला दिस इज द बेस्ट हॉर्स। ही थॉट इज द बेस्ट हॉर्स। बट द टाइगर आउट ऑफ द स्टेबल ताको घोड़ाशाला बाहर को आनिला ता मुहरे जो लगाम दिया जाए बंधा जाए घोड़ा मान को चढ़ा लगाम बांधीदेला एंड ता उपरे चढ़िला। बाघर भी आगे सेमती अभिज्ञता नाला एमती पाटे बांधती चोर बांधिब बोली से भाविला ए बहुत पावरफुल ये बहुत क्षमताशाली ये बहुत डरीगला एवं दौड़ी बसला। चोरर मध्य सेमती घोड़ा केबे चढ़ी तार मध्य अभिज्ञता नाला से भी भाविला बोधे एमती भाव में ये दौड़ुची। The thief did not have such an experience before. He thought he had selected the best horse. से भावुची मु सबुठु भल घोड़ा बाछिछि। He did not imagine that he was riding a tiger. से कल्पना करि पार नथिला जानि पार नथिला he was really riding a tiger because he could not see anything in the dark. कारण से अंधार किछि देखि नथिला। So this was about SGP-1. So now I am going to ask you some questions what I had taught you. So what was the king famous for? My question is what was the king famous for? See my dear students, page number 32, lesson 2, the thief and the tiger. You can get the answer. Now I am going to answer the questions. What was the king famous for? The king was famous for his strong and swift horses. What did the thief plan to do? What did the thief plan to do? The thief planned to steal a horse from the king's stable. राजा को घोड़ाशाला गोटे घोड़ा चोरी करने चिंता कला। Why did the tiger hide in the stable? The tiger hid in the stable to eat the thief's flesh. Why did the thief touch the back of each horse? The thief touched the back of each horse to select the best one. So, what did he think the tiger to be the best horse? He thought when he touched the tiger's back, he thought it to be the best horse. How did he ride on it? He put a bridle on the tiger's mouth and rode on it. He did not know that he was riding a tiger. Why? He did not know he was riding a tiger because it was dark. Where did the tiger run into? The tiger ran into the forest. So, what did the tiger run into? The tiger ran with a great speed into the forest. This is about SGP 1. Now I am going to teach you SGP 2. The day dawned. ସନ୍ଧ୍ୟା ହେଇଗଲା, ଡାର୍କନେସ୍ ଡିସେପିୟର, ସକାଳ ହେଇଗଲା, ଡନ୍ ସକାଳ ହେଇଗଲା, ରାତି କଥା ଏଇଟା ହେଇଥିଲା, ସକାଳ ହେଇଗଲା, ଅନ୍ଧକାର ଉଭେଇଗଲା, ଡାର୍କନେସ୍ ଡିସେପିୟର, ଦେନ୍ ଓନ୍ଲି ଦି ଥିପ୍ ସି ହି ୱାଜ୍ ରାଇଡିଂ ଏ ଟାଇଗର. ଚୋର ଦେଖିଲା ସେ ଗୋଟେ ବାଘକୁ ଚଢ଼ିଛି. ହି ୱାଜ୍ ଭେରି ମଚ୍ ଫ୍ରାଇଟେଣ୍ଡ. ଦି ଟାଇଗର ଅଲ୍ସୋ ରନିଂ ଭେରି ଫାଷ୍ଟ ଆଉଟ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଫିୟର. The thief could not think what to do. He was about to faint while running. While running the tiger, he passed under a tree. The thief caught hold of a branch and climbed up the tree. The tiger was very happy. It ran into the forest as fast as it could. So this is about SGP2. So ମୁଁ ତାକୁ ଆଉ ଥରେ ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ କହୁଛି, ତମେ ଭଲ ଭାବରେ ବୁଝିପାରିବ. ଦି ଡେ ଡନ୍, ରାତିର କଥା, ସକାଳ ପାଇଗଲା. Darkness disappeared, ଅନ୍ଧକାର ଅଦୃଶ୍ୟ ହେଇଗଲା, ଅନ୍ଧକାର ଚାଲିଗଲା, ପୁରା disappeared ହେଇଗଲା. Then only did the thief see that he was riding a tiger. ସେତେବେଳେ ଚୋର ଦେଖି ପାରିଲା ଯେ ସେ ଗୋଟେ ବାଘ ଉପରେ ଚଢ଼ିଛି. He was very much frightened, ବହୁତ ଭୟଭୀତ ହେଇଗଲା, ଭୟ ଗଲା. The tiger is also running very fast out of fear. ବାଘ ବି ଖୁବ୍ ଜୋରରେ ଦୌଡୁଛି ଭୟରେ. The thief could not think what to do. ଚୋର ଭାବି ପାରିଲାନି ସେ କ'ଣ କରିବ. He was about to faint. ପୁରା ସେ ମୂର୍ଚ୍ଛା ହେଇଗଲା ଭଳିଆ ହେବା ବଡ଼ କଥା ନାହିଁ. faint, ମୂର୍ଚ୍ଛିତ ହେବା. FAINT, faint, ମୂର୍ଚ୍ଛିତ ହେବା ବା ମୂର୍ଚ୍ଛା ହେବା. ମୂର୍ଚ୍ଛିତ ହେବା, ସେ ମୂର୍ଚ୍ଛା ହେଲା, ହେଇଯିବା ବଡ଼ ବେଳ ନାହିଁ ହେଲା. While running the tiger passed on the tree. ଦୌଡ଼ି ଗଲାବେଳେ ବାଘଟି ଗୋଟେ ଗଛ ତଳ ଦେଖିକି ଗଲା. The thief caught hold of a branch and climbed up the tree. ସେତେବେଳେ ଚୋର କ'ଣ କଲା, ଗୋଟେ ଡାଳକୁ ଧରି ପକାଇଲା ଏବଂ ଛାଡ଼ିଦେଲା ବାଘକୁ. ଫଳରେ ଦି ଟାଇଗର କ୍ଲାଇମ୍ବ ଅଫ୍ ଦି ଟ୍ରି, ଗଛ ଉପରକୁ ଚଢ଼ିଗଲା. ଦି ଟାଇଗର ଅଲ୍ସୋ ଭେରି ହାପି. ଇଟ୍ ରାନ୍ ଇଣ୍ଟୁ ଦି ଫରେଷ୍ଟ ଏଜ୍ ଫାଷ୍ଟ ଆଜ୍ ଇଟ୍ କୁଡ୍. ବାଘ ବି ବହୁତ ଖୁସି ହେଇଗଲା, କାରଣ ସେ ଭୟ କରୁଥିଲା ବହୁତ ଚୋରକୁ. ତ ସେ ଦୌଡ଼ିକିରି ଜଙ୍ଗଲ ଭିତରକୁ ପଳେଇଗଲା. ସୋ ସି ହାଉ ଏ ଥିଫ୍ ରୋଡ୍ ଏ ଟାଇଗର. So this is about SGP2. I am going to ask you some questions, then we will conclude this SGP. When did the thief come to know that he was riding a tiger? When the day dawned and darkness disappeared, at that time the thief knew that he was riding a tiger. How did he save himself? When the tiger was running under a tree, the thief caught hold of a branch of the tree and climbed up to the tree and saved himself. Then, was the tiger happy? The tiger was very much afraid of the thief. So when the thief climbed up the tree, leaving the tiger, at the time the tiger was very happy that he was saved. And the tiger ran into the forest. This is about SGP 2. So, students, you will read the lessons SGP 1 and 2 properly and answer the questions. That comprehension question I have already told you. And after that, tomorrow we will read SGP 3 and complete the lesson. Thank you all.